Roger Center. Ha? Oh,
So yeah, Northern Spirit, City Cruises and stuff.
yeah, sometimes Filipino. Ng barbecue. Oh, sarap.
Kapampangan ng sarap. Kapampangan. Oh, may
Simple Tagal.
This is siomai. Okay? They have a promo.
Hey! Nabuhay! Ayan, malapit na kami. Malamig yung simoy ng hangin.
This one going that side, Ward Island.
To the Ward Island or the hang?
Center, that's the next one.
Okay. Good.
This is white.
Look. Keep moving? Okay, sorry.
Keep moving that way.
Ito na. Ito yung
I used to work here.
yeah. Ayun, oh, pwede tayong sumakay dyan. Ayan, busy ngayon dahil long weekend. Maraming nagagala. This is life in Toronto. Matagal-tagal din ako hindi nakapag-vlog dito. I think 2023. Balik ulit tayo sa downtown para magpasabog. No. Hoy, lipad na. Ayun, sabi ko sa'yo, lilipad kayo. Yan ang water taxi dito. Ginagamit yan para mamasyal o tsaka pumunta doon sa kabilang island. May traffic daw doon. Ito na ang heart of Toronto. Ayan, oh. CN Tower. Tapos nasa kabila yung Sky Dome, Roger Center. Ha? Dito ang sa may Beavertail. Ayan. Opa. Ayun. Wow! Yan ba yung souvenir or? Here, hat. Ito yung bilihan ng mga souvenir dito. Ha? You're okay? Okay. Let's see kung magkano water taxi. Yeah. So yan, pagka gusto niyo pumunta sa Center Island, magmamasyal, dito lang ang bilihan ng ticket. Yan.
Yeah.
Anong lugar ito? Queens Quay?
Harbourfront. In Harbourfront.
Harbourfront Center.
Harbourfront, yeah. This big thick building on the right side, I used to work. Oh,
Dati daw siya nagtatrabaho dyan.
Fourth floor. Oh, okay. 407.
Tagalinis siya dyan ng ano.
Tagalinis. Tagalinis na po eh.
Ito, busy ang mga people dito. Ito si Habibi.
Habibi, Habibi kita.
Si Habibi.
Let's go around.
Yeah, we go around and then.
Changes down here at the Harbor Front.
Huh?
So many changes here at the Harbor Front.
Yeah.
Look, they have grocery stores here now.
So ito yung loob ng Queens Quay Terminal. Oh. Ang ganda ng loob pala nito. Number QQT. May kainan sa loob ng restaurant. May washroom, tapos may Tim Horton. Ayan. So pwede tayong kumain maya-maya. Oh, minom lang kami dito ng malamig na ice coffee. Balik na uli kami sa pag-trabaho.
Dito. Oh, shit. Ito, dito.
Yan, Tim Horton. Yan ang aming tanghalian. Oh, look.
Wow. Nakain.
Ang galing nun ah.
Old Spice. Ano yun?
Ginagamit din pala yun.
Yun.
Mm-hmm. Parang pirate, ano yun ah?
Pirate of the Caribbean?
Hmm.
Galing ano. Ano ginagawa yun? Baka
Hmm?
yung nagdadala ng ano, bagahe.
Videoan mo siya, Tat.
Diyan ka na kumuha. Ikakakilan mo.
Ako. Mahirap mag-cut ng ganyan. Ayun. Paalis na si...
Oh, pabalik na yata tayo. Kasi tataubos.
no, iikot tayo. Ha?
Oh. Hello.
Alam mo na pag bumalik yung mirror,
The Harbor Front Center.
mirror on the floor.
Gagala-gala around.
Ito, gagala lang kami ngayong
Just
weekend.
got coffee. And then we're going home after this. We're gonna see you. If you want to do city cruises, all of this show.
This one.
Yeah. You have to buy your ticket for 45 minutes or an hour cruise, or there's a dinner too. So yeah, Northern Spirit, city cruises and stuff. So yeah, so many people here. We've done it many times. It's good. Take the one with dinner.
Looks like
I think that's 90 minutes.
we
or 3
never
hours.
catch the F-fighter plane
F-13. How often do they fly?
once a day.
Okay, look. Show mo. Show.
Hmm?
Show mo yung mga paligid. Yeah, and I think they have a skating rink here now on the other side. So for the last, more than 10 years. I think we moved out there in 2000.
Wow, busy today.
It's a very busy place here.
Yeah.
It's nice to spend your afternoon or even daytime or nighttime, siesta, whatever you call it, resting area here,
Ayun,
reading,
lumabas na si CN Tower.
walking,
CN Tower is here.
relaxing. Yeah, you can sit here by the boardwalk. Yeah, see how you can tell people they're just relaxing. Yeah.
Whip.
What's up? Sorry.
What's that?
Look at the couple on the swing. Ah, very cute. Imagine if you have that
Yeah,
head
may
over
nagmamagic.
there.
Because it's very like, you know, like in Cornwall, but
Power plant pala yung.
So
That's
this is
power.
the, gotta show the Toronto skyline.
Ah, we did
It's
already.
nice walking here. Keep walking.
Oh, look at this. Guys, oh, what's this one?
Let's see that.
It's
It's ice skating arena. Yeah, they do this.
they
in,
use it for ice skating.
outdoor. Yes.
Now it's a mist.
Yeah.
On te donne un diplôme d'espagnol de bâtiment. Ah, donc tu soignant. Voilà, donc c'est pas le travail de ta
I'll share your.
Oh, this is the pirate. The big one. How much? Boy! Oh boy. Oh, look at that taxi. There's a
Kaya pala mga tao na dito nakaupo eh.
kung ano.
Yeah, kajama.
Wow, ang laki. Si Kajama.
Shit.
Yeah, I think 1 hour sila mag-stop kasi may mga commercial na magte-take off.
Take off.
So they have to
Fair enough.
rest.
Okay.
Yung pala may rest. Kasi 1 to 3 nakakaisang oras na. My God.
That's a commercial. Entertainment.
Ito yung buhay ng mga Yemenin dito.
Pero dito nagpe-perform ano?
Yeah, sometimes Filipino. Sometimes English. Ito ang downtown Toronto. Yan.
Alis ka dyan. Nagpipicture yung mga ano pag
Say cheese! Say cheese! Yung pala yung hiram lang ng photographer. Wala. Nakaloko yung mga yun eh.
Ah, ito tinanggal oh.
May Pilipino din pala dito nagluluto. Teka, tingnan
Ano
natin.
yung shalado? Okay.
Delicious. Ito, panoorin natin si Kuyang magluto ng barbecue. Oh, sarap.
Tayo dito eh.
Pwede bang makahingi dyan? Wow, ang sarap. Ayan.
Every day we buy barbecue.
I know.
Every event.
Oh, may Simple Filipino. Dito lang tayo sa may malapit sa CN Tower. Dulo na yata. Sarap dito. Ayan oh. Yun yung gano'ng kasarap ng mga barbecue ng mga Pilipino. Wow! Very, very tasty.
Oh, pork barbecue, $5. Show my $5. Hot dog, $5.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's check the taste.
Let's go to line up.
Look at this. There's a Filipino tinda-tindahan dito. Here
Let's try
in
masarap.
downtown.
Hello po!
Hello.
Masarap ba? Masarap?
Yes, Kapampangan ng sarap.
Kapampangan. Oh, may candy.
Simple Tagalog. Ah, simple Filipino pala.
Wow, if
Wow.
they just want sticks,
Wow,
$5. Pero kung mix and match, 20, kahit ano, 5.
Oh,
Kahit ano
okay.
dyan.
I'm gonna try the 20 any kind.
Okay. You can choose whatever
I can
you want.
choose?
Ano. Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Parang Filipino style.
I'm gonna choose underneath
Yes.
because I don't want on top. Let me see Masarap.
Sure.
Masarap starts here. Maganda starts here too.
Yes. Like you, maganda.
Ito,
Thank you.
ito, quick, quick.
Maganda si Lola. You know, I never
Ay,
tried
no.
quick quick. We should try.
That's okay. Don't,
Oh, I have to try this. Alright. It's really
Okay.
good.
here in,
Masarap starts here.
in downtown Toronto, you can also do
Masarap.
wrap.
We're in Harbourfront. This is Siomai. Okay? They have a promo, 5 for 20. Any 5.
Any 5.
But if you get only one steak, $5. Marami doon kami in order. Don't worry, I'm gonna finish it. When it's all meat, I have nothing to worry. I'm packed. I have full capacity. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat it. What do you call this? Sisig?
Fishing.
It's good. It's not spicy, so I'm okay.
So this special store here in downtown Toronto, Simply Filipino. Wow.
You want it? It's good, siomai. You want?
Hang
Long weekend lang pala dito, kaya mayroon ng ganito.
There's another Filipino here.
Stop.
There's a street food festivities here.
What's up?
What's this? Smash burger. They smash the burger.
What's called smashing the burger?
Yeah, they smash it. Look,
Wow.
looks delicious. Firewood. This one it's pizza.
Well, it's a marshmallow.
Yes, lots of food over here.
I think I'd rather eat that sauce also and then use that like on the heavier stuff. Oh, it's giveaways! More money, more money!
Ito talaga.
This one is good. This is, you're gonna get a beaver tail, go to the car.
Marry me? This one, another Filipino. Kusina. Another Filipino food. Oh, this one looks delicious too. Masarap.
Marami palang kusina eh.
Ha? Ha? Yeah.
Ayan mo yung Queen's Harbor. Ayan. Ganito pala dito pag weekend. Especially long weekend.
Yeah, sa
And summer.
Queen's Harbor.
Welcome to Canada.
Okay, but that's a big shake.
I need this. I need a shower. He does all his own stunts and never dies.
Yeah.
Ano ka ng tubig? Bakit ang meron na? Blue. May laro ang Blue Jays.
That Blue Jays
Jays fanatic.
It's from Montreal. Hey! Mabuhay! Mabuhay! MC Kamsa. Taga Montreal yung mga yun, taga Quebec, yung mga nagsasalita ng French. Ha? Ayan, meron nga ang laro ng Blue Jays mamaya. O, patay tayo. Matatraffic tayo dyan. Yeah. There will be traffic.
They park, they park so far. Okay, hurry up, hurry up. It's just Montreal. Only in terms of sports, people, reunite. Suddenly, nawalan ako ng data. Oh, bicycle pala to. Bicycle pass. Bicycle pass.
I'm in between.
At least one day.
Oh, we are here.
Back to Harbour
Okay.
Ah,
I hope you like this video. Until my next video.
and you like the
Don't-
Filipino foods.
Yeah.
I'm so full.
Don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe.
Yes. If you don't like the video, tell us something. You like the video, you tell us too. Right? So, yeah. More videos to come.
More videos to come.
I'm here.
More Toronto to come.
I'm here. Hello. I'm here. Yeah.
More Toronto to come.
More Toronto areas to come. Just let us know. All right? We'll get back to you.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Tawad.
I've done 11,781 steps today.
Wow. It's a lot of calories burned. Plus,
A lot of calories eating.
plus $20 to food. Minus only may utang ka pa, calories.
Overload. Calories overload today. Oh, this is so good. They have this now.
Yeah.
We should go for a bike.
Okay, thank you so much.